you know?
It really is. I think we have to check in,
Uh-huh.
and then our tent's already there, so I don't know how that works. We might have to come back and put a thing on it. I don't know. If our tent's there, I don't know how anybody could be like, no. If I would have known we were going to trade up, we could have gotten this one. The walk would have been much smaller. Good morning.
It's really like muddy down in there, though.
We like to off-road.
Yeah.
No.
I don't want to lay in the mud. Look at that one.
Oh, that's a bayou. There's a sidewalk over here.
Oh, okay.
Are you recording? Yeah. I'm going to take the sound off of this one. I always just video around the campground so people know what it looks like. So they can get a real perspective of it. These little boardwalks go all the way across to the backside.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's cool. Can you walk them around or what?
No, I noticed that on the video that I watched. Damn, I found you a towel.